Hello friend, today I will cook paneer pakoda. So I will take here paneer. I will cut into the pieces in a cube shape. Very fine I will cut this because the paneer is very soft. We have to careful while we are cutting. We have to cut in a triangle shape like this. See, this is the good shape how I am cutting. Yeah, it's cut in a perfect shape. Now again I will cut in a very thin layer. This is like, yeah, because we have to make layer by layer, so this is required. See, first layer I will add methi chutney, sweet chutney, and then I will add a coriander chutney, dhania ki chutney. Again I will cover like this. This is done. So now I will bowl. Take, then I will take gram flour यानी बेसन. I will add into this gram flour red chili powder, taste according salt, ginger garlic paste, asafoetida, turmeric, and some of garam masala. Then I will add water as I required. I will make thick batter. I will mix properly with the help of this whisker, and I will make thick batter. Simply I have to mix all this ingredient. Finally I will make one smooth batter with the help of this whisker. See, now it's good. Now I will dip into this batter, this paneer pakoda. I will dip into this batter like this. So already my oil is hot, so I will fry my all deep I will fry all my deep pakoda, paneer pakoda. See, like this. I will do shallow fry in a medium flame. I will fry it. See, my all paneer pakoda has done. I will sprinkle chaat masala here. Now I can enjoy this paneer pakoda with this ketchup, tomato ketchup. With any chutney you can enjoy. So now friend, if you like this recipe, so please do subscribe my channel and do comment also, and make in your side also, and share to